In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments on Substack. If you're a content creator using Substack or just someone engaging with a community on this platform, it's important to know how to interact with others through the comments section. Comments are a great way to foster discussion and engage with your readers, offering insights that can lead to interesting conversations. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Substack homepage. This is the central hub of your activity on the platform and where all your posts and notes are accessible. Once you're there, take a moment to browse through your content. Next, locate the Substack post or note that you're particularly interested in. This could be one you've recently published or even an older piece that's generating some buzz. Once you've identified the post, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the post or note, allowing you to view its full content. Along with the main content of your post, you'll notice that a comment section is prominently displayed beneath it. This is where the magic of interaction happens. In this section, you'll find all the comments that have been left by your readers. It's a treasure trove of feedback and engagement that can really enrich your understanding of how your content is being received. Take your time to scroll through these comments. They can often contain valuable feedback, questions, or even just expressions of appreciation for your work. If you have a Substack account, you're not just limited to reading these comments. Substack allows you to actively participate in the conversation. You can reply directly to any comment, offering further insights, clarifications, or simply taking the opportunity to thank your readers for their input. Engaging with your readers in this manner can help build a stronger community and encourage more dialogue on your future posts. Additionally, you'll have the ability to like comments, which is a quick and easy way to acknowledge a reader's contribution without needing to write a full reply. This small gesture can go a long way in making your audience feel seen and appreciated. It's a simple but effective way to keep a pulse on your community's thoughts and feelings regarding your content. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to maximizing engagement on Substack through its comment sections. Not only will this enhance your understanding of your readership's perspectives, but it will also foster a more interactive and supportive community around your work. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you'll start to explore and engage with your Substack community through comments more actively.